So, what should be your thought process in the last 3 months of your exam preparation? Suppose you have not prepared from long time. You have not prepared. You have not started in February month, March month, April, May, June, July, August, September. All these months you did not study, and because of something or somehow you have planned. Okay, now we should take GATE exam seriously, and now we should start study, right? So, see, guys, what should be your thought process in the last 3 months? See, I believe in one thing. If you are the person who has confidence to do something, then you can convert your 3 month into 6 month. And if you are that kind of person that even if you have 1 year, you will not study for that 1 year, and you will completely ruin your 1 year, and finally you will run behind 3 months. Okay, we can have two categories, right? One type of student, like, once he will get the mood or she will get the mood for the study purpose, once the plan is very clear that okay, I have to do now, then this person will leave everything and completely solely focus on the GATE preparation for 3 months, and he or she will prepare that much hard, then they can convert this 3 month into 6 month. Understand the psychology. See, guys, when someone is preparing for from Feb month to March month, and when someone is starting in September or October month, okay, so first difference you understand, these people will practice so much and their confidence level will be so much high. And when you start in September or October month, then you will not be having so much time to practice so many stuffs, right? At the same time, your confidence level will not be uh, as high as these students. Okay, but one thing you keep in mind, what is that? Your GATE exam is not based on your confidence, it is based on your knowledge. Even though you have knowledge, but if you don't have confidence, does not matter, you can definitely crack your GATE exam. For example, suppose if I am asking very easy question, a mass is 5 kg and this mass is traveling with 1 meter per second acceleration, what is the force acting on this mass? So whether you have confidence or not before entering to the exam, but if you have knowledge, then you will apply F is equal to ma formula, mass is 5 kg, acceleration is 1 kg, and you can crack this 5 Newton. What I'm trying to make sure, these 3 months can definitely shape your future. These 3 months can make your life amazing only if you will put your 100%. Now, what should be your last strategy for 3 months? See, guys, study like you have never studied in your life. Study that much and convert your 3 months not only into 6 months, you can convert into 9 months. You just input 3 times extra. If toppers are studying 6 month, 6 hours, I mean, if someone is in regular study course in regular batch and they're studying for 6 hours every day, you study 12 hours, you study 15 hours, and already I have made video for 16 hours, right? You follow that video and study for 16 hours, then within 3 months you will be very very close to those students who have started from a Feb month or March month, right? Now see, point is, what are you going to study in this 3 month? If you have right content, right material, then definitely you can make this possible in 3 month. Just one small promotion, what you have to do here, because see, already I have made the entire video course, right? And some of you have already taken the course, and so you can take what you have to study, whatever I have taught in my real class, in my regular batch, same video I am giving in offer price, right? So you can purchase that video course, you can take the subscription for the video course, and entire study material you can take, and a start test series you can take. Okay, one offer is going on to take this subscription. That offer link I will give you in the description box. You watch that video after watching this video, okay? And your fee structure is 5k, only 5k. This 32k course I am giving only in 5k because now last 3 months are remaining, right? And this offer I was especially running for poor students, but now so many students have enrolled for this offer and they all are doing so good. Now try to understand, I am here just to make sure that is 3 months are enough. Guys, actually this 3 months is enough. Technically it is enough. Technically it is enough. If you are taking my video course, just in 60 days you can finish your entire preparation. Only in 60 days you can finish your entire preparation, and in the last 1 month you can go for complete practice, and in the last 1 month, like in January month, you can go for complete test series practice, right, online. Okay, all the video materials are available on Drive. If you are taking subscription, I will immediately give you all the videos, and believe me, material is excellent material. All the videos are very beautifully explained, and all the test series and everything is excellent material, I am saying you. So now, how will you convert your 3 month into 6 month, right? Some people may be thinking that they will be feeling guilty. Oh man, I did not start study in like long back. It's now October month now. Can I crack the exam? So yes, you can crack the exam. Believe me, you can crack the exam. Believe me, you can crack the exam. Who am I? I have cleared GATE Aerospace 5 times in different scenario. Okay, and I'm teaching this from 6-7 years. So more than 10 years of input I have in this field. I am totally dedicated for GATE Aerospace preparation, and I'm teaching. So I know 3 months are sufficient to crack GATE exam. You can think that if 3 months are sufficient, then why to join in Feb month itself? Why not everyone is joining in October month? So same thing. If you are joining in Feb month, then your selection is damn sure, man. But if you are preparing in October month, what if in coming days you got some like unnecessary situation? What is going to affect your preparation, right? Some accident or something, right? But if students are preparing for Feb month, they are totally safe side and their confidence level is very high. Actually, what confidence does, confidence keeps you happy, and in that happy mood you study again. But if you don't have confidence, then what happens? Then you will feel nervous, and then you will run here and there, what to study, what to leave, what to study, what to leave. So in this time, in this itself, you will waste your complete time. So that's why I'm suggesting you to take my course immediately and start with preparation. How to convert 3 month into 6 month? Study double, study 12 to 18 hours, whatever you can do. 18 hours is not possible, practically it is not possible, but at least 1 or 2 days in week you can go for 18 hours of study, and remaining 5 days you can maintain 14 hours of study. Okay, what will you do here in this 14 hours? Only watch my videos, make your notes, and whatever PDF I have given, solve those PDFs and complete your this thing, and then you go for my test series. That's all done. Okay, so this video is especially for those students who are now planning to start preparation for GATE Aerospace in October month. So you have October, you have November, and you have December month. Okay, this year for 2022, probably our exams will be on 5th Feb or 6th Feb, probably 5th Feb or 6th Feb. I hope the idea behind this video you understood, right? Okay, one more thing I want to say. This previous year question paper plays very important role. Actually, I have not made video based on this significance of the PYQs. I will make very soon. Okay, but okay, you one thing you make sure, 3 months are really enough, really sufficient to crack exam. See, one more thing I want to say. There are so many students, they prepare for 2 years, but still they could not clear GATE exam. Okay, so I am damn sure you are not in that category. At least you are that kind of student. If someone is teaching you something beautifully, then you will grasp that knowledge and you will grow. And after that, some examples are there, solve that example, that's all. See, finally, GATE exam is asking for what? GATE exam is just to check, especially I'm talking about aerospace department. There will be so many questions, like around 35 marks to 45 marks question will be fundamental questions. Okay, so there is one quote in English: something is better than nothing. It means if you are in condition to achieve nothing, at least achieve something. Start your preparation immediately and work hard. Thank you.